Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to read charts on Robinhood as a beginner. So to read charts on Robinhood, you just have to follow the steps. Now Robinhood offers a standard and advanced chart for stocks, ETFs and cryptos. Type of a chart are line chart and candlestick chart. So to understand what is actually a line chart, you need to open up the asset. Let's see whether this has a line chart or not. Now line chart shows a closing price at any given time, whereas the candlestick shows 5 data point, open, close, low, high and a price directions over a time interval. Likewise, the body of a candlestick represents the difference between the open and a closed price. The weak or the thin line represents the high and a low price. The color of a candlestick indicates whether the price closed up or down, and the green indicates an increase with red, while red indicates a decrease. As next, if you want to understand the technical indicator, so to access the technical indicator, you need to go to the detail page for the stock. You could see this is how you could do it. So then open the advanced chart view and add, remove or customize the indicator. You can find the company's earning per share, EPS, and next earning announcement date in earnings section of stock detail. So this way you could read the Robinhood chart. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.